behind the lines. We're starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome back to the magical land of replays. This time we're doing match 13 over again there after we got some extra mood lighting in the end of our last attempt at it. 27 points on the board so far for red, 21 now for blue. Those scores ever going up on both sides. Both sides with the robot fully balanced on the charged platform as autonomous ends. And drivers now take the controls, and already we hear some loud collisions in midfield as those robots spar off to start things off here. Scores were briefly tied at 46 before the Red Alliance pulls ahead by 5, and now game pieces start heading up onto the Alliance grids once more. There's the 2659 machine for the Red Alliance of Robo Warriors, dropping off a cone and connecting the first link for the Red Alliance. Second link goes up from their Alliance partners, Eastbots, right after it. Those links each worth 5 points apiece on top of whatever the underlying game pieces are worth. Blue Alliance with a very, very slight lead here. They also have 2 links formed. They're prepping their third as we speak. Lots of cones going up into the air, although I don't see any cubes to finish things off. They might be prepping cones, and then they'll come back and fill in the cubes later. We've seen this Alliance do this previously in these playoff rounds. 96-91 with your current score on the board. Minute 15 to play. 3 links blue, 2 links red, but the Red Alliance looking hungry to change that. In comes a cone to the top right node, and it does not quite finish a link. Yes, it does. 5th link in place for the Red Alliance, and then another link gets settled from the 4795 machine there of Eastbots from North Carolina. Still 5 on the board, waiting for a cone in the top right there to complete the top row that the Alliance has done several times previously. 43 seconds left to play. It is still anybody's game, but the Blue Alliance has a very slight lead there. 6 links formed so far over on blue. Let's make that 7, and strike zone eager to make that 8 as they plop down a cone. They pretty well spike it into the bottom right corner of that Alliance grid, and that's good for their 8th link total. 153 points on the board. In comes the cube, makes it 9 links. That's a full grid on blue. More game pieces coming. Parts falling off. That's Polycarb just sitting in the middle of the field. That looks to be truly cosmetic, so we won't focus on that one too long. Up goes the 3 blue robots. Balanced and docked and engaged for, that's good. The Red Alliance matches it with 4 seconds left, and that's all she wrote for match 13, where the winner advances into the finals. 199-172 in a completely clean, penalty-free match. And that does mean our number 5 Alliance there in blue will go on to the finals. Face off against our number 1 ranked Alliance.